Which sentence has incorrect subject-verb agreement? As a quick review, in general, subject-verb agreement refers to when a verb receives an S or not. If the subject is I, you, we, or they, the verb does not receive an S. If the subject is he, she, or it, the verb does receive an S. So we have I eat, but she eats. It sounds more complicated than it is, and most of the time you can get by with simply a good ear for what sounds right in English. With this in mind, let's take a quick look at the subjects and verbs in our choices. A. Sentence 1. It is a sad thing to think that nature speaks and that mankind does not listen. Our subject in this sentence is it, which we see needs an S with its verb. And indeed, our verb is has an S. We have two more subject-verb pairings in this sentence. Nature, or it, again, properly matched with speaks with an S, and mankind, also it, and also matched with an S verb, does, as opposed to the plural do. As all is in order here, this choice can be marked off. B. Sentence 2. This remark, made in 1870 by the poet and novelist Victor Hugo, is even more relevant today. Our subject is this remark, again it, and is paired with is, again with an S. This choice can be marked off. C. Sentence 3. At a time when biodiversity, the fragile web of life of which we are all a part, threaten to disintegrate, we must not forget that we, in many respects, are authors of our own misfortune. Our first subject is biodiversity, or it, which needs an S with its verb. However, we see that it's paired with threaten, with no S. It should say biodiversity threatens. As this is incorrect subject-verb agreement, this is likely our answer, but we can take a look at choice D just to be sure. D. Sentence 5. Our relationship with nature, traditionally based on domination and exploitation, has already altered some 75% of the land surface and 40% of the marine environment. Our subject here is relationship, or it, which is correctly paired with has, as opposed to the plural had. As all is in order here, we can mark this choice as incorrect and mark choice C as our final answer.